Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back with the third puzzle in the yesterday's newspaper of, yes, it's Wednesday, July the 7th, 2021. Yesterday's newspaper, yes, because today on Thursday, yes, Thursday, July the 8th, 2021, we have only one regular Sudoku, no additional with extra Sudoku. So I've decided to solve the three Sudokus or puzzles left on Wednesday, and I've just finished the letter Sudoku, the Sudoku with 2 stars, and now it's time for the Tectonic with 1 star. Alright, and this one will be a number 3068. Alright, 3068. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Wow, those printed letters are a lot. Yeah, 21. Wow. So this should be an easy one. 21. It's over the 20, yes. So the first question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? I see here the single box. Single box are always a 1. So this should be a 1. Alright. Do we see here dual boxes? I see here dual box. The dual box contains the 1 and a 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Here another dual box. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. More dual boxes, no triple box. Then do we have any triple boxes here? No. Quadruple box. No quadruple boxes. Alright, so the next strategy is to recognize some figures or shapes or constructions or structures. You name it, whatever. Yes. For example, this one here. Alright. If you see such kind of figure, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright. Here another one, but rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. We have an L shape. Upside down. The next figure, L shape with 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes? No. Then, I forgot this one. It's the same as that one, but rotated. So this box is the same number as that box. Okay. Then the last figure I see here, the Z construction. Yes, Z construction. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So let me draw this box same number as that box. And that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright. And those are the figures that you need to recognize. So it's easy to fill the numbers. So the next stage, the next strategy is it's time to start filling the numbers. All right. Yeah. All right. Let's get started. So now 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and then 1 goes there. These 2, 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes can be a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 4. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Okay. Then this box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 here. Cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. Okay. 2 boxes. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 5. That means that box is connected with this box. So should be also 4 and 5. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. Alright, those 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Well, I cannot place a 4 here. If I place a 4 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. But we already have a 4 here. So it must be a 2. And that box should be a 4. Alright. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Alright. Well, I think this box should be a 3. Because it can be 1. Can it be a 2? Should be a 3. Can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 5. Alright. This box cannot be a 2. That box can also not be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I fill a 2 here, I cannot place any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be a 4. Because it can be a 1. Can it be a 2? Can it be a 3? Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Alright. Then, this box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. Alright. These 3 boxes surround a 5 cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. Alright, these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. Alright. Alright. I think this box should be a 4, because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be 3, should be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this W area shape. For the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be a 1. Cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 here. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 and 4, 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Okay. And now 1 and 5 in this W area shape. The numbers 2, 4, and 3 are missing. 2, 4, 3. 2, 4, 3. Well, we have a 2 and a 4 here, so this box cannot be a 2 and a 4. The 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be a 3. Okay, 2 and a 4. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, this box is connected with that box, should be also 2. And 1 box left for the 4. Alright, finish in 30 minutes, exactly, yes. And I like this one, because for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. And I've solved this in 30 minutes. So I'm very pleased with the time. If you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binary, playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the letter Sudoku, for the medium Sudokus, for the light Sudoku, for the heavy Sudoku, for the quintuplet, for the killer Sudokus, all kind of Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you find them all. Yes. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday. We will meet again tomorrow on Thursday. Until then, bye bye for now.